welcome to my channel, and I want to show you today how to download the Windows 2008 R2 on my VMware machine. So I just go to the VMware and click on the VM, click on the file and go to the new virtual machine, and from that we will go for the typical as it is. Go to the next, and I will install the operating system later. Go to the next and choose the Microsoft window. It is a kind of Microsoft window, and choose from here Windows Server 2008 R2 64-bit. Next, and choose the location where you want to save. I just go and make a folder in the F drive, and where I make a new folder and write Win 2008. Okay, and click on the OK. And now, what is the name of the virtual machines? I keep it as it is. Go to the next, and maximum disk size is okay, and I will store in a single file. And go to the next, and at last I will customize it. Okay, and I will choose the memory locations as it is for 2 GB, and go to the processor. Is it okay? Now from the CD DVD, I will choose my ISO file. I will browse. I already kept in F drive. Here I have ISO file, and I will choose the image file of 2008 server. Now click on the OK, and we will close it, and we will go for finish. And you will see one window is appeared. I will go for power on this virtual machine, and let it be format, so it will work. And I will click OK. So see, window file is loading, and wait for it around 20 minutes. It will be okay. It will be just fine. Okay, fine. Now we will come it after 20 minutes. Okay, thank you.